Our episode today is about subtracting mixed numbers. Subtracting mixed numbers could be a little bit tricky than adding. Look to these examples. As we know, while adding or subtracting mixed numbers, we go from right to left. So, we add or subtract fractions first, then we add or subtract whole numbers. And we look to the numbers from up to down. So, let's add or let's subtract here. Okay, look with me. The most important condition while or to subtract fractions or add subtractions is to have the same denominator. Do we have the same denominator? Yes, we have. So now, how to subtract fractions? We keep denominator, then we subtract numerators. But look with me here. 1/10 is way much less than 7/10. So can I minus 7 from 1? No, I can't. So that's why it's a tricky. Look to the other example. If I don't have a fraction here to minus from, so the fraction here is 0. So can I minus from 0? 7 over 10 or 7/10? No, I can't. So in these examples, while subtracting the second fraction from the first fraction, we notice that it's smaller than it or not even exists. So, what should I do to make the fraction bigger so I can subtract from it? By borrowing from its neighbor. What its neighbor is the whole number in the left side. So, the first step is to borrow from the next whole number, 1. But can I minus from 1 a fraction? 1 is a whole number. So in this case, I need to convert the 1 into a whole fraction by repeating the same denominator of the fraction. So, to subtract or to add fraction, we have to get the same denominator. So in this case, I have to take the denominator and repeat it. So, first, I will borrow from 1. It will be 8 plus 1. Then I will convert this one into a fraction or a whole fraction. Okay, so take the denominator, which is 10, and repeat it up and down. So I will write this one as this form, 10 over 10. Now I have 10 over 10, and I had already 1 over 10, or 1/10. Then I have two fractions. What should I do next? To add the two fractions together. Now I have a very big fraction to subtract from. For example, let's go to the first example. 9 1/10 minus 8 7/10. So, we go from right to left. Subtract fractions. Do we have the same denominator? Yes, we have. So, we can minus now. We can minus numerators. But look again. Can we? I don't think so. Because 1 here is less than 7. So in this case, I need to make this one bigger. So I will borrow from 1. It will be 8. Then the 1, I'll put it into a fraction form by taking the denominator and repeat it up and down. So what is the denominator? It's 10. Repeat it up and down. So it will be 10 over 10. Now the fraction, we add them together to make it bigger. How to add two fractions with the same denominator? Keep denominator, add numerators. So what is the denominator? It's 10. Add numerators. 10 plus 1 is equal 11. It's an improper fraction, but it will help me to subtract. There's no problem at all. Now, can I subtract now? Yes, because 11 now is bigger than 7. So, to minus fractions, what is the rule again? Keep denominator minus numerators, or add numerators. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. So now 4 over 10 is a proper fraction. Go to the left side, minus a whole number from a whole number. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Another example. Let's practice. 7 2/5 minus 5 4/5. Okay, first, 2/5 is less than 4/5. So in this case, I need to borrow from 7. So I will take 1 from 7, it will be 6. And then I'll put the 1 here in the form of, take the denominator and repeat it. So it will be 5 over 5 plus the main fraction, which is 2 over 5. Then add them together by keeping the same denominator and add numerators. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 7 over 5. Now I can minus fractions. Do we have the same denominator? Yes, we have. So we can minus it. Keep denominator minus numerators. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. And this is a proper fraction. Now, minus whole numbers. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And that's the final answer. Hope that you enjoyed my episode. Please follow and subscribe. Bye-bye.